Hello everyone, it's Z66, your underpaid, untrained, underinsured mechanic. And we're going to be replacing the battery on my 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So you get your seat all the way forward and up, and excuse my dirty car. And you have this little panel that you lift up to get there. So I'm going to stop the video for a moment so I can do this. It's going to be hard to do one-handed, but I'm going to show you some more in just a minute. So this panel has clips, and you just kind of got to lift on it and lift it up to get it up. And then you're going to free your battery there. And now, there is your negative, and that's going to be your positive up there. And there's your stop and go battery there. We're replacing the main battery, but we're going to unhook both of them. Alright, so I got the negative for the stop start and the battery off, and I wrapped them in the gloves just so they don't make contact and cause any arcing or anything. And when you're taking the battery one, you gotta be careful not to hit any of the metal up here or you will arc. Now we're gonna finish taking off this stop go battery. So we got the little battery pack, well, remote start battery, stop start. It is a 10 millimeter, and you'll need a 10 millimeter deep, and then it just lifts up.
Hello everyone, Z66. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. This is from the editing room because I realized I forgot to film something. So on the start-stop battery, I forgot to discuss removing the bracket that holds it down and the strap over it. The strap over it on the right side of the battery is it just hooks in basically. So you would just loosen that once you undo the bolts on the right. And when you're going to go put it back in, I would, with one hand, hold that strap up and then hook it in on the other side from the right to the left. That's what I did to make it a little easier. Now, you're going to need to take that bracket out to get the battery out. That bracket is held together by a 10 millimeter, a little loop. It almost feels like you're going to break it getting it loose. You're going to need it deep. But on the left side, you're just going to take out that, unbolt a few bolts in that bracket, and then it'll come right up. But I'm sorry, I forgot to record that or deleted the footage. I'm not quite sure what happened, but you're going to see a loop of this footage while I explain this to you. And I am sorry I missed that. But yeah, make sure when you go to take it up, you're going to have to loosen a bracket on the left side, move the strap over, and the strap comes completely off, by the way, and you're going to need to bolt it back down. So just important things you need to know.
Alright, so we got it moved forward. Battery positive goes forward towards the car. You're going to hook the negative last. I'm going to hook up the little stop-start battery first, and then I got to put that bracket back on there too. And don't forget to do your vent tube. And let me find wherever mine went. But yeah, don't forget to do that too. Alright, that took forever. That last little bolt up there, you loosen those up to readjust. Had to make it refit, get your vent tube, and do a test start. She's good to go. You just put your cover back on. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's been Z66. You have a good day now. Bye.